Indoor plants with different colored leaves bring vibrancy and elegance to any space. Their stunning patterns combine shades like green, red, pink, and yellow, creating a visual masterpiece. Here are the best low-maintenance plants are perfect for adding color and character indoors. Let's begin with Caladium. Caladium, also known as angel wings or elephant ears, is a striking indoor plant renowned for its colorful, heart-shaped leaves. Its foliage comes in a variety of vibrant patterns, combining hues of green, pink, red, and white. Perfect for brightening indoor spaces, Caladium thrives in warm, humid environments with indirect light. It requires well-draining soil and consistent watering to maintain its vibrant appearance. Though primarily grown for its foliage, it occasionally produces inconspicuous flowers. As a tropical plant, it appreciates a bit of extra care during colder months. With its dramatic colors, Caladium is a favorite for adding charm and elegance indoors. Rake's Begonia. Rake's Begonia, a favorite among indoor plant enthusiasts, is prized for its dazzling, multicolored foliage. Its leaves showcase intricate patterns in shades of green, silver, burgundy, pink, and purple, often with striking textures and shapes. This tropical beauty thrives in bright, indirect light and prefers a humid environment, making it ideal for indoor spaces. The plant requires well-draining soil and consistent moisture but avoids overwatering to prevent root rot. Compact and low maintenance, the Rake's Begonia adds a vibrant, artistic touch to any room. With its bold, colorful leaves, it is an excellent choice for plant lovers seeking a statement piece indoors. Prayer plant, Maranta leuconura. This is a stunning indoor plant known for its uniquely patterned, oval-shaped leaves. Its foliage features vibrant green hues accented with red veins, light green patches, and dark green spots, creating a dynamic visual effect. The plant gets its name from its nightly, prayer-like movement as its leaves fold upward in the evening. Thriving in indirect light, high humidity, and warm temperatures, the prayer plant requires well-draining soil and regular watering to stay healthy. Easy to care for and visually striking, it's a favorite for adding beauty and a touch of nature's movement to indoor spaces. Croton, Codium variegatum, is a vibrant indoor plant celebrated for its bold, colorful foliage. Its leathery leaves come in stunning shades of green, yellow, orange, red, and purple, often with striking veins or spots. Native to tropical regions, Croton thrives in bright, indirect sunlight, which enhances its vivid colors. It prefers warm temperatures, high humidity, and well-draining soil. Regular watering is essential, but the soil should dry slightly between waterings to prevent overwatering. Croton is a great choice for adding a lively, tropical feel to any indoor space, offering a splash of color and a dynamic focal point in home decor. Tricolor Stromanth, Stromanth sanguinea, Triostar, is an exquisite indoor plant admired for its vibrant, multicolored foliage. Its elongated leaves display a stunning combination of green, creamy white, and pink hues, with deep red undersides that add to its dramatic appeal. Native to tropical regions, it thrives in bright, indirect light and high humidity. The plant prefers consistently moist, well-draining soil but should never sit in water. Its vibrant colors are best maintained in warm, draft-free environments. Perfect for adding elegance and color to any indoor space, the Tricolor Stromanth is a favorite for plant lovers seeking a bold, tropical touch. Coleus, Plectranthus cutellarioides, is a vibrant and versatile indoor plant known for its colorful foliage. Its serrated leaves come in a stunning array of patterns and shades, including green, red, yellow, purple, pink, and burgundy, often in striking combinations. Easy to care for, Coleus thrives in bright, indirect light but can adapt to lower light conditions, although colors may fade slightly. It prefers moist, well-draining soil and regular watering, allowing the topsoil to dry slightly between waterings. Compact and eye-catching, Coleus adds a burst of color to indoor spaces, making it a favorite for decorative arrangements and lush displays. Wandering Jew, Tradescantia zebrina, is a striking indoor plant known for its trailing growth and vibrant foliage. Its leaves feature a beautiful blend of green, silver, and purple stripes with a shimmering metallic finish, adding a touch of elegance to any space. Easy to care for, it thrives in bright, indirect light, which enhances its vibrant colors and adapts well to a variety of indoor conditions. The plant prefers well-draining soil and regular watering, allowing the topsoil to dry slightly between waterings. With its cascading vines and vivid hues, Wandering Jew is a perfect choice for hanging baskets or tabletop displays. Polka dot plant, Hypoestes philostachya, is a charming indoor plant celebrated for its colorful, spotted foliage. Its small, oval leaves come in shades of green adorned with speckles of pink, white, red, or purple, resembling paint splashes. Native to Madagascar, this plant thrives in bright, indirect light, which helps maintain its vibrant colors. It prefers consistently moist, well-draining soil and high humidity but avoids overwatering. Compact and easy to care for, the polka dot plant is perfect for tabletops, terrariums, or mixed arrangements. Its playful appearance makes it an excellent choice for adding personality and charm to indoor spaces. Aglaonema, Chinese evergreen, is a popular indoor plant prized for its stunning, variegated foliage and ease of care. Its broad, glossy leaves feature a wide range of colors, including green, silver, pink, and red, depending on the variety. Native to tropical and subtropical regions, it thrives in low to moderate light, making it ideal for indoor spaces with limited natural light. Aglaonema prefers well-draining soil, consistent watering, and warm, humid conditions. Tolerant of occasional neglect, it's an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced plant lovers. With its vibrant colors and air-purifying qualities, Aglaonema is a stylish and functional addition to any home. Fictonia, nerve plant, is a small, vibrant indoor plant known for its striking, veined foliage. Its oval leaves come in shades of green with intricate veins in white, pink, red, or yellow, creating a delicate yet eye-catching pattern. Native to South America's tropical rainforests, Fictonia thrives in bright, indirect light and high humidity. It prefers moist, well-draining soil but should not sit in water. Compact and easy to care for, Fictonia is perfect for terrariums, tabletops, or as part of mixed plant arrangements. Its vibrant, textured leaves make it a beautiful choice for adding charm and character to indoor spaces. These low-maintenance plants not only enhance aesthetics but also bring life and energy to any home environment.